Hello all! A lot has changed since I last filmed, but we had some family over for the weekend and they helped us so much. We removed this cabinet here. We removed all the wallpapers and we are trying to remove the glue that has been left, the second layer. We got rid of the table that was here. We actually sold it to the people who gonna renew it and they will make a good use of it. Yeah, so what else have we done? In the bedroom, it's very echoey here now because we removed the cabinet here. We removed the bed. We actually gave it away. And yeah, so it's very, very echoey here. The wallpapers are also removed here. Here, but we have to finish to remove them here. We got rid of this kitchen cabinet. We actually gave it away for a grandma. She will use it in her basement or somewhere. Yeah, so a lot of it has changed. So we'll have another help on the weekends. Some of our friends will come here and help to remove all the second layer and glue that is left. And I'm still trying to get rid of the furniture. Maybe some people will take and use it somewhere, I don't know. I would be happy that if somebody would renew or use it anyway, so we'll see how it goes and we'll keep you updated. Alright, so we finished the second layer of wallpaper in this room. We removed all the skirting here, everywhere. We removed the wooden covering of the radiators. Yeah, so we removed the wallpaper here too. And we started to removing the second layer of the wallpaper in this room. We still have to figure it out what to do with this plant. It's so sad to throw it away, so we're trying to find a new home for him, but yet we didn't find anyone, so we'll see what to do. Yeah, so Thomas pull apart this closet here. And yeah, this is a storage room at the moment. Yeah, yesterday we had some help. Our friends came to help us and we pull apart all of the cabinets here, right? So we did a lot of work in there. So we placed everything in here and yeah, we have to put it in the basement somewhere. So we'll see. Well, but everything is coming together little by little and we can see the potential in here already. It's easier to imagine what it's gonna be like when most of the wallpapers are gone, when the closets are gone. Yeah, so it's getting better, but we're really tired.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, me too.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we worked for about 4 hours today.
4 hours straight.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
So we are gonna go home and eat something and we're gonna watch the football finals today. Yeah, so that's it, I guess. Also, we removed the doors in here. in here. And that's it?
In here.
Oh, and in here too. So the hallway looks a little bit spacious, more spacious right now. Well, except all the stuff here so takes up the space. But when we just removed the door, we could see that it would be a very nice, spacious hallway. Better than it was with that door. Yeah, so it's gonna be
Quite nice.
quite nice. So we are really gonna go now.
See you later.
See you later.